Work in the present day involves interconnectedness from all over the world. UNITAR offers a variety of different courses tailored to our participants' needs. UNITAR's Executive Diploma in Diplomatic Practice stands out as a program primed to prepare diplomats and other actors from every sector to excel in creating effective solutions at the international level and scaling the challenges and new realities of the 21st century. The Executive Diploma is a unique educational opportunity for participants to expand their global network and increase their career opportunities while learning with practitioners from diverse cultures and worldviews. The program consists of 8 workshops on topics such as negotiation, public speaking, diplomatic protocol, and many more. The selected course facilitators are experts in the fields of international relations, diplomatic practice, and international law from academic and international circles, including practitioners from both within and outside of the UN system. Regardless of whichever professional background you're from, our experts will provide the insight necessary to facilitate an effective learning environment and create unique career development opportunities. Join now to become part of our newest cohort.